How to change Duolingo profile picture. If any day any of you are a Duolingo user and you would like to change your Duolingo profile picture but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Duolingo application on your mobile device. For that, you can scroll left or right on your mobile device, and when you find the very Duolingo application, you can tap on it. Now, when you tap on the Duolingo application, Duolingo will be launched on your mobile device. After Duolingo is launched on your mobile device, now you have to follow the next steps. That is, now you have to go to your profile like section on the down portion. Now you can also go to the profile like section. Now after you go to your profile like section, now here you have to go to the plus like icon. Now one thing you have to remember is in order to change the profile picture on Duolingo, you can also change the very profile picture on Duolingo in the form of avatar. Therefore, here you can just select all of your skin tone that you have. You can also change your eye color like this. You can also keep any of the hairstyle that you want. And after that, you can keep any of the goggles like this, any of the headsets like this, and any of the feature, and then do and done. And this way you can create an avatar on the Duolingo, which is your profile picture on Duolingo, because your avatar in Duolingo is a profile picture on Duolingo. So this is the way on how you can change your avatar or the profile picture on Duolingo. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.